Local 12, the Weather Authority. This is Paul Poteet's hour-by-hour forecast.
My heart goes out to him. Absolutely. Losing a kid is never okay.
Terrible pictures from the plains this weekend where at least 4 people are dead, including an infant, after a tornado outbreak in Oklahoma. That happened over the weekend. A tornado ripped through the rural community of Holdenville. That was about an hour and a half outside of Oklahoma City, and you can see from the sky what happened. The infant died when the storm took a direct hit on the family's mobile home. People are now cleaning up similar damage across the state. The Weather Service confirms at least 22 tornadoes in an area near the city of Norman. It's actually where the Storm Prediction Center is headquartered. The severe weather extended into this area, destroyed a home and damaged others in the southeast. Last night, the Trinity County Sheriff says a twister touched down. The Weather Service hasn't confirmed it yet, but there are several homes and vehicles that are damaged and destroyed, as you can see there. People there were also taken to the hospital, so there'll be a lot of busy Weather Service crews. What they'll be looking for, there can certainly be damage. Sometimes it's caused by straight line winds. They'll be looking for the signs of twistiness from the damage patterns. And look at this over the weekend. I went back and told the computer to grab all the tornado reports from the last 72 hours. That was a funnel cloud in Illinois over the weekend. The rest of these, generally speaking, reports of tornadoes right in the classic part of Tornado Alley, which hadn't been that busy so far this season, over into Iowa and Missouri also. That storm creeping a little farther to the east today. The center of low pressure is in Minnesota and the western part of Wisconsin. It had been active earlier this morning, and some of the heavier rain now up in northern Michigan. You look at that and look at the video that we just showed you, and you see the system is just west of us and is heading to the east. And you might be thinking, is this going to be a severe threat around here? And it doesn't look like it. The closest severe threats the next few days are going to stay to the west and to the north of us. The upper level energy, the big winds that would be one ingredient in all of this, have really sipped to the north and to the northeast today. So we're not looking at a severe threat. We definitely have the setup, though, to get some showers, maybe some storms going. We have warm air here and cooler air on the other side of that low. 40s, 50s, and 60s as close as Chicago and St. Louis. We're into the mid and in some cases upper 70s right now. We have a little bit of moisture out there. The dew points are close to 60, so there's not a lot of instability around. There is some energy from the wind at the surface, though. The winds are gusting up to about 30 miles an hour, which they may do through the afternoon. It's worse again farther up to the north. The winds are a little stronger through there. 76 in Middletown, 70 in Laurel. But Oxford's reporting 79 already, 77 in Batavia, 77 at Fayetteville. And we've got partly cloudy skies with some of those cumulus clouds going on. And through the afternoon, I think that we'll get up to around 80 degrees. There's a chance, especially to the west by 5 p.m., then better chances of storms this evening. And here is the way to look on Futurecast. You've got some rain, very light rain in northwest Indiana and eastern Illinois right now, and that's what we'll keep an eye on. The first places to see rain this afternoon after 3 or 4 o'clock, maybe into Indiana, our viewers there, and then gradually that'll spread into the tri-state. The overnight hours may bring some heavier rain, and then it ends in the eastern part of the viewing area from west to east tomorrow. So definitely some rain in the morning, possibly maybe up to an inch. There you see the temperatures tomorrow a little cooler, but that's still close to average, getting into the low 70s. So rain definitely by this evening, breezy, 81, 62 tonight, morning rain tomorrow. Then a couple of quiet days, we could get to 85 Thursday. And then another pretty decent chance of rain and storms on Friday. At the moment, I think it'll end by Saturday afternoon, and then we're okay for the race Sunday morning. Maybe some showers by later in the day. Run fast. And we'll be right back in just a few moments here on Local 12.